In today's video, we are going to be looking at some of the coolest smart home gadgets you should have in 2023. Let's get right into it. First on the list is the voice-controlled virtual assistant. Having this is like having your own personal Jenny who's ready to grant your every wish just by listening to your voice. With virtual assistants like Amazon's Alexa or Google Home, you can control almost everything in your home with just a few simple commands. Want to turn on the lights in your living room? Just say, "Alexa, turn on the living room lights," and voila! Your room is illuminated. Need to adjust the thermostat? No problem. Just say, "Hey Google, set the temperature to 72 degrees," and your home will be the perfect temperature in no time. And if you're feeling particularly lazy, you can even use your virtual assistant to order groceries or takeout without ever having to lift a finger. It's the ultimate in convenience and a true game changer for anyone looking to make their home smarter and more efficient. Next up is energy-efficient appliances. Energy-efficient appliances are more than just a cool smart home gadget in 2023. They're a practical and sustainable way to make your home smarter, while also reducing your carbon footprint and saving money on your energy bills. From refrigerators like the Samsung bespoke 4-door French door refrigerator with Family Hub, to smart washing machines like the LG TurboWash 360 with AIDD V9F4, V900, and 10 WTSC. These appliances are designed to use just the right amount of energy and resources to get the job done, while also reducing waste. With smart technology, refrigerators can adjust their temperature automatically depending on the amount of food you have inside, helping to reduce energy usage and waste. Meanwhile, washing machines can use sensors to detect the size of your load and use the right amount of water to clean your clothes effectively, while also saving you money on your water bill. By investing in energy-efficient appliances, you're not only making your home smarter, but also doing your part to protect the environment. Plus, with the cost savings on your energy bills, you'll be able to enjoy the benefits of your smarter home for years to come. Next thing you should definitely look to buy are smart locks. Smart locks are more than just a cool smart home gadget. They're a game changer for anyone who's ever fumbled with their keys or worried about home security. With a smart lock, you can unlock your front door using your smartphone or a keypad, eliminating the need for traditional keys and giving you an added level of convenience. But the benefits of smart locks go beyond convenience. Many models come with additional security features like fingerprint recognition or remote access, providing you with added peace of mind. With fingerprint recognition, only authorized users can enter your home, and with remote access, you can lock and unlock your door from anywhere in the world using your smartphone. Our pick is the amazing August Wi-Fi Smart Lock, and you can get it for around $225. Investing in a smart lock is an excellent way to make your home smarter, safer, and more convenient in 2023. No more fumbling with keys or worrying about unauthorized access. With a smart lock, you can enjoy the benefits of a more secure and efficient home with just the touch of a button. Now, are you tired of constantly adjusting your window shades to get the perfect lighting and privacy? Well, say hello to automated window shades, the ultimate smart home gadget of 2023. With these devices, you can forget about the hassle of manual adjustments. They use sensors to detect the amount of light in a room and adjust the shades accordingly, so you can sit back and relax while they do all the work. Plus, they look super stylish and modern, adding a touch of elegance to any home. And the best part, you can control them remotely using your smartphone or a smart home hub. So whether you're lounging on the couch or away from home, you can adjust your shades with just a few taps on your phone. Our pick is the SmartThings blinds, and you can get them for around $155. Investing in automated window shades is a no-brainer for anyone who wants to make their home more comfortable and efficient in 2023. They're easy to use, stylish, and a great way to add a touch of high-tech luxury to your home. Next up is smart thermostats. Let's face it, traditional thermostats can be a hassle. That's where smart thermostats come in. These cool smart home gadgets are designed to make your life easier. They use sensors to detect when you're home and adjust the temperature accordingly. Plus, with remote control features, you can easily adjust the temperature from your smartphone or virtual assistant, no matter where you are. Whether you're coming home after a long day at work or returning from a vacation, smart thermostats ensure that your home is always at the perfect temperature. And the best part, they're energy efficient, which can save you money on your energy bills. Our pick here is the Amazon Smart Thermostat, and it is incredibly cheap at $65. Lastly, you should definitely get a security system with facial recognition technology. These high-tech systems use facial recognition to identify anyone who approaches your door, so you can always keep tabs on who's around. Whether it's a delivery person, a friend, or a stranger, you'll be able to see who's at your door without even getting up from your couch. But that's not all. Some security systems can even integrate with your smart locks, making it easy to grant access to trusted individuals without the need for keys. With security systems with facial recognition, you can enjoy the peace of mind that comes with knowing your home is safe and secure. Our pick here is the Nest Cam IQ Indoor and Outdoor at $180. What do you think about these cool gadgets? Let's know in the comments. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.